Hello ladies, today I'll show you how to make custard by using microwave. Okay, so first of all I'll tell you the ingredients which we're gonna use to make custard. Okay, so here I have kept a boiled milk. I boiled it because before making the custard we need the boiled milk so that custard will melt it all over completely. Okay, and here I have kept some fruits, in which I have kept bananas, small pieces of bananas, mangoes and watermelon. But whichever fruit you like, you can add in the custard. Okay, I have kept cashew nuts, raisins or kismis, almonds, sugar and custard powder. Here I have using the custard flavor of kesar pista. You can take any flavor of custard, whichever you like. So what we're gonna do first is we will add the custard powder in the boiled egg milk. So take this custard powder and add it in the boiled milk, which has already been boiled. Batter it properly. We have to batter this mixture properly so that these round bubbles will not come out. Okay. After battering it properly, we need to keep this mixture inside the microwave. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep this mixture in the microwave. Okay, so I'll keep the ball inside the microwave. Okay, now set the mode micro, because we need to keep the mode micro. Keep it for 10 minutes. Here you can see the bowl is revolving. After the 10 minutes is over, we will add all the ingredients whichever we had prepared it for custard. In between 10 minutes, you can stir also, or you can see that the mixture is mixing properly. Yes, you can see here the mixture is thick, so that you can see it's going good. So now what we do, we add sugar and stir it properly. It's very easy process, and within 10 minutes your custard is ready to eat. Here you can see your 10 minutes is gonna over. So what we'll do, we'll take out the bowl and we'll separate it in another bowl so that we'll add all the ingredients which we had prepared for it. Okay. Okay, here we can see 10 minutes are over. So what we will do, we'll take it out the bowl outside. Very carefully we need to take out the bowl. Okay. Now here I'll just show you from very clearly. Take this custard in the microwave bowl, another bowl. Now add all the ingredients. First we will add all the chopped veg fruits, bananas, watermelon and mango. Now add raisins, cashew nuts and almonds. We will use all the dry fruits for decoration purpose also. So it will look more good when any guest come to your home. It will more beautiful. I'll show you from here. So your custard is ready to eat. Thank you for watching my video.